Okay. So instead of the numbers, try to use something else.
Instead of the location, yeah, the array location.
Right. And privacy
But
terms.
when we are automating, if we give them with the location, does it work? I mean, we understand that if it changes on the web page, then it'll be a problem. But yeah,
I didn't get you.
okay, there is some disturbance actually. Not on my side. Yeah, like when we're automating, if we give them the array location like A1, A2 and all, does it work? I mean,
It will work. There wouldn't be any
okay,
problem, but just that the problem is it
yeah.
might change the position.
Yeah, if it changes, then we need to change the script. That's the thing. Okay.
Right.
Yeah.
So that is why it is better to make it more constant.
Constant. Okay. Yeah, I got it.
Hmm.
I'll change that, Anusha. I got it now. Yeah.
Right, right.
Yeah.
I'm doing all those. I'm just checking one extra.
Yeah. Okay. No problem.
No, no, no. Mm-hmm. Okay. We have one match. Hmm. Simple.
Sign in. No, it's the sign. Okay. The sign in button.
Text. Text is Gmail, right?
Oh yeah. I mean the thing which you copied was for the sign in button.
No, what I copied is for Gmail link.
Oh, okay. But it highlighted that. Okay. Anyway.
It highlighted that because my mouse was in wrong place.
Okay.
So this is what, and this
Mm-hmm.
is the Gmail link.
Yeah. Got it.
Because my mouse was somewhere like
Mm-hmm.
this, it highlighted something else.
Yeah.
Chrome does not highlight by default. You have to take your mouse to that specific HTML element, then only it will.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
Right? Hmm.
Mm-hmm. Like if there are like two links of Gmail on the same page, one on the top right and the other somewhere on the bottom. So then it is better to give the location, right?
Sorry?
If there are like the two same links, like Gmail link is there on the top and somewhere in the bottom
Mm-hmm.
as well. Two
Mm-hmm.
same links, so it's just gonna navigate us to the Gmail. So then then it's better to give the location, or is it fine?
Then you can give like this, like this.
Okay,
First one, second one,
okay,
third one. How many ever
mm-hmm.
Gmail links you have?
Okay, yeah,
So put the entire thing in parentheses and then do this, like one.
okay. Oh, okay, got it.
Right? Yeah.
Okay, yeah,
So maybe same with the images link. With the images link also you have to make change, right?
yeah, yeah.
Mm.
Yeah, it's gonna be image. Yeah.
Okay. Where is my mouse? So, so, mm, mm, mm. Here, you take like hashtag equal to whatever the hashtag it has. Just to simplify. Mm,
Google.com different options.
right,
Okay.
one more trick. Come here, click on your F2.
Mm-hmm. Oh, it's in the editable mode.
Yes,
Okay.
you have to click F2.
Okay.
Mm. So now you have three links to the same this one.
Oh, with the same tool. Oh,
You have the three now.
so now give the position.
It's not highlighting. The image is kind of hidden. This one is highlighting.
Mm-hmm.
So now you can give position, or to make it better, take its parent.
div.
Hmm. The ID is div equal to 0.
Jing.
Only
Sorry.
one. So
Mm-hmm.
if possible, try to take parent instead of
Mm-hmm.
the index, like 1 2 3.
Okay. Mm-hmm.
That's the last solution. If we don't have any solution, then we will be taking 1 2 3.
Oh, okay. Got it.
Yeah, that's one. Okay, so now we can take this. Okay, we'll just go ahead. Start working. The signing button. Check well. Debug it yourself, Diksha.
Oh, sorry, I didn't get you.
The sign in button XPath is not working,
Okay.
so try to
Okay.
debug it yourself.
Okay. Sure.
Syntax is fine. Do this, right click inspect. You'll understand.
Your voice is very low, Anusha.
Is it? Mm, I don't know what's wrong, but volume is going really low. Mm. Right. Is it okay now?
Yeah.
Give me a second. Sound check. Right. Yeah. Now?
Yeah, it's better now.
Okay, it was not taking my headphones. It was
Oh, okay.
taking my laptop speaker and mouse, so I didn't know that. Okay. Yeah. So when you inspect the sign in button,
Mm-hmm.
no, leave that. First inspect. Later on, we'll see
Oh,
what.
I already did. This is the one for the sign-in button.
Okay, is it a div?
Yeah, it's the parent is div.
But you have to be working with the its own tag. So if you inspect, this is the one which came up, which is A. It's not div.
Yeah, I mean, yeah, okay.
So slash slash save in the right class. You don't need the parent, right, for the first time itself. First work with its own copy, copy, copy. Don't type. F2 copy.
Okay. Mm,
Try to avoid as much typing as possible because it leads to more errors. ID is GB underscore 70. What is happening if you take ID? Because first preference goes to ID, then
ID.
name, class. First preference would be ID or text.
Mm-hmm. It's ID.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
That's all. So only one node. So now you don't
Mm-hmm.
have to go to parent.
Yeah. So if I have to add parent to this, I just put this
Okay.
and then
If you, no no no.
add.
If you no 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 no.
Oh, okay.
If you wanna add parent,
Mm.
this is the scenario, right? If you
Mm.
want to
Yeah.
add parent, remove one slash, double slash div,
Oh, okay.
or
Got it.
whatever condition for the div if required.
Okay, to be more specific.
Yeah, if required.
Like if there are more parent classes, then we give the class name.
Oh yeah,
Otherwise, it's not necessary. Okay.
right. Let us. So remove the double slash, only single slash. Ouch. Okay.
Okay.
Did you try any other website?
No, Anisha, I can do it now. I mean, until you verify, because now that I have better idea.
Sure. Okay.
Yeah.
But just don't do it now. Let's see
Okay.
what we can learn from Umair's
Mm-hmm.
experts, right?
Okay,
There's
sure.
always some taking.
Okay.
So Umair, is it possible to share your screen? Only if your laptop is responding. Otherwise, don't torture it. Okay, cool. So where are your Google experts? Dude, you're on mute.
I didn't save that. So it's on here probably.
The Google experts.
Yeah, I send it to you, right? So it's probably. Okay.
We don't have a completed list.
No, those are the only ones I did.
Okay.
That's the
Hmm.
Yahoo one.
Okay. So try to do the expert for the logo again.
The logo. Google's. Okay.
Okay. Can I take the control for a second?
Please.
Alright, so if you go here, you have these options. This would be easier usually to see it at the bottom.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Alright, go ahead.
Okay. So, that would be good. Yeah. I just went to the image right here.
So what is the X path for the logo?
After logo. Mm, logo. Mm,
Okay. So why is it A that you are putting?
because it starts with A over here.
That's already here, right? In the last it is slash A.
Yeah.
So here you don't have to put A. Okay.
No, I don't.
Um, so A, div, then something on the top of it, right? So come to Chrome, scroll a little bit up in the code. Okay. So A is written already. Div is also written already. This div
Yeah.
is also written already. This div is also written. For this, you have id equal to gb. Open your Word notes. Sorry, the notes. Yeah. So A is written. The div above it is written, and this is not the div which is written. Okay, this is in parallel to this div. So you have to ignore all this stuff. This div is written, then the next level up div is written, the next level up div is also written, then you have this one id equal to gb.
Yeah.
So here you would be getting div. Okay, and
Okay.
the better XPath would be this is the one, right? If this is the one, oh, the word. So we prefer to write XPath with its own this one, at the rate class equal to gb on a and at the rate href equal to this link. Okay, this is one way. Uh, where is it going? Okay, this is one way, and one more way is writing with text. This is even easier. Okay, you don't have to complicate with so many parents. You can directly write it with its own node in a very easy way. So if I now take this Mm-hmm. Copy and uh, can you do the search here, like Control F, right, and Control V, hit the return key.
Yeah, open.
Mm, what's wrong? That is the one. Seriously. Copy the other X path. This one. Control C. No, no, no. Something not copied. Copy it again. Oh, hold on. Hold on. Copy this thing. Okay. Paste it in between the double quotes. Yeah. Now copy the whole thing. Put it in Chrome. And come on. What's wrong? I mean, it should work. Something is to do with the Mac. Copy. Copy export. Okay. I don't know what's going on, but it worked on Diksha's machine. Let me try on my machine. Note that expert //a text equal to images. That is working in my machine.
It is?
I don't know if it's any problem with the. Okay, I'm sharing my screen to show how Firepath works. Okay, so starting with the top, this is the logo. I'm on Google India. so it might look a little different. So this is for the India, this is for the logo. Okay, now I right click and copy expat, paste. Okay, this is what I've got. Now, how many are there? Only one. Okay, there is no another slash slash slash. So do it div. Okay, and here prefer to use single quotations. Do not use double quotations. In Chrome, you'll get double quotations. If you do it in Firefox, you'll get single quotations. Okay, and then this is my search. It's like input because this is having input over here. Okay, now I hit on the return key, it shows me, and when I hover my mouse it will highlight it. Now if I want to get this for this icon, it is giving me a lot of junk. Okay, instead of this, what I'll do is I'll take something like maybe title. You can take any attribute, not a problem. And what is this? This is a, so slash slash a and at the rate title. You got the correct one, right? And when I said this one, it says something in red because it's a syntax error. Okay, so when I say at the rate, still syntax error. When I paste this, then yeah, it's correct. Okay, so Diksha, you were missing this brackets, right, at the end, which was the syntax error that I've told you. So if you are
Oh, okay.
using, it will say invalid XPath in FirePath as
Yeah,
advantage.
but I mean like, but it
Mm-hmm.
doesn't tell the details like, I mean, it shows up in Java like
No,
this is missing or okay.
no,
Yeah.
it doesn't. It doesn't help. So at least it says that it's invalid and it's not going to work.
Okay.
And that's the maximum
So
help.
it doesn't fetch the results also like it means it's an invalid XPath, right? I mean, I don't see much difference on the Google and on the, I mean, the Chrome and the Firefox.
Okay. Yeah, if it's wrong, if the syntax is correct,
Mm-hmm.
but it doesn't match anything,
Mm-hmm.
yeah, it will
Mm-hmm.
not get anything.
Okay. Yeah.
I have this. Okay. Yeah, I mean, this is how I usually do.
Yeah.
So there are two matches for the same thing, div and then div. Okay. Just that the thing is, this is more legible than Chrome. That's all.
Okay. Okay. Yeah.
Yeah, and it highlights the syntax errors. And in Chrome, you won't be able to know if the XPath itself is not matching or there are any errors. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Now, if you look at some website like this, which has a hell lot of stuff on its page, okay, so there is too much of information here, right? So, what if you want the thing for this inspect and fire path? You directly got the X path, but you should be trying to avoid the numbers, whatever is there in the ID, UI 18, blah blah blah, as that keeps changing all the time. So instead of that, is there any other way you can do it? Everything looks junk, right? And the title will be changing all the time. Like this is the best airport and stuff. Okay, because if a new entry comes in here, it will push this back. So I want to click on the third one, not on the fourth one, right? So what we will do is we'll look at the parent. Even the parent looks scary. So it's parent and then it's parent. Okay. So I want to click on what? //ul at the rate id equal to stream /li /dev slash div /ul /li. I want the third one. Okay, slash a. Right, so it gave the correct thing, right? Without much numbers, because I said I want third one, I'm giving the numbers here. Fourth one, it's highlighting in the blue dots. Okay, there's one. Fifth one, there's no sixth. What about the first one? Yes. Okay, so when you want to click on the first one, like when you're specific about the numbers in your problem statement itself, you can use the numbers. Got it?
Wait, when are we using the numbers again?
We will use numbers when your problem statement itself has a number, like um, get XPath for the second hotshot.
Okay, got it.
Okay, so when I say second, so that means my problem statement itself is having a number. Okay, it doesn't matter what the title is. It doesn't matter what whatever it is. All it matters is I want the second one. Okay, so when I want the second one, I'll say 2 here. That is giving me the second one.
Got it.
Right. And then, yeah. Now, here there are 10 trending now lists. I want a common XPath for all of these. So my problem statement goes like this. Count the number of training list. Okay. If, I want to count how many training lists are shown up here. I want to make sure my test case is that 10 training lists should be shown. So I have to get the count and I have to compare it with 10. So how do I get the count? First, I get a common XPath for all of these. Okay. So what is it like? Yeah. Div at the rate type equal to trending /dev slash ul I ul slash span. Now I want something. I want the second span here. I don't have a choice. Okay, so Okay, let me take my X path. I've given span of 2, then I've given A, Li, UL, A, Li, UL, Li, UL, then a div, then a div. Okay, so I missed 2 divs in between. Oh, sorry. Okay, again there is an error. Out of the div trending, 3, 4 divs, then a UL. Okay, let me check it till here if it's making. No, it's not making it. No, still not. Because that means this itself is not correct. The parent which you have taken itself is not correct. It
Shouldn't
says
it have the same name that's matching? Okay, they gave it as trending only.
they gave it as trending, but the
Okay.
mistake that I have done is it's not type. It's data applet type. It's not type.
Data applet type?
Yeah,
Okay.
it's here.
Oh, okay, got it. Got it.
So I
Okay.
have 10 matching nodes. This is
Mm-hmm.
the common XPath for all the 10.
Oh, okay.
Then,
No, you gave it as to the location. How are you getting the count? I mean, which?
because inside A is the entire thing. Okay,
Ah,
like I'll still give it like this. Then I'll get
yeah,
10. But
yeah.
if I in this span itself, there are two things. One is the number, and
Mm-hmm.
the other one is the
Name. Okay.
title.
Uh,
Okay, if I give span, it will give me 20 results.
uh, it's just highlight. It is not highlighting the number either way.
It is.
Oh, okay.
And here, if you see at the bottom, here,
Mm-hmm.
it says 20 matching nodes,
Okay. 20 matching notes. Okay.
right? So,
Mm-hmm.
I don't want, I want either the numbers or the names. I don't want to
Okay.
count repeating stuff. I can count either the just the numbers or just the titles.
Okay.
So I'll
So,
take either one or two. One is for numbers, two is for titles. If you look at
okay.
the HTML, if I hover it on
Mm-hmm.
the span of one, it
Mm-hmm.
shows number. If I hover
Span
it
one.
on
Yeah.
span of 2, it shows the
Mm-hmm.
title. So I just
Okay.
need the count. I'm not bothered about whether it is title or the name.
So here you just started it from the parent class and you just gave all the classes and then choosing
Yes.
it. Okay, yeah.
Yeah, I have taken one class which has a meaningful name. You can still take this one also. You could still take this one also. Okay. I just took it here, a random one.
Okay, got
Okay,
it.
you can still take this one,
Which one?
class. This is still not having weird numbers and it's still unique, right?
Okay, yeah,
So I could
yeah.
still work from this. I can work from
So
this.
that's exactly not the first parent node. It can be like the any node which is unique
Yeah,
or I mean which doesn't have numbers. Okay,
yeah,
okay.
yeah. Which doesn't have
Mm.
some junk like this because this sort of numbers will be changing all the time.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, okay,
Okay.
okay.
So we will consider taking something fixed. something more
Mm-hmm.
alphabetical like this.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. Um, then, okay, I might have a test case that I should have all these links: cricket, news, finance, lifestyle, but the order of them doesn't matter. Okay, that is a requirement from the client,
Okay.
right? So I will get the common XPath for all of these, and
Mm-hmm.
I'll get the text for each of it.
Okay.
Selenium has that facility to get all the elements at once having common XPath.
Oh. Okay.
It can read 100 elements even if they have common. Okay, so
Mm-hmm.
that is why we are concentrating on common experts. And then I'll get each of its text, right, of
Mm-hmm.
other elements, and I'll verify if my list and the list that I got is matching. I don't have to match it. One is cricket, two is news. I might get finance in two, lifestyle in five, and all. Okay.
Okay. Mm-hmm.
Okay. So I'll give you some 2 to 3 questions. Okay.
Okay.
So that you can get your hands on this Yahoo, right?
Okay.
So Muzammal, you'll have to do both Google and Yahoo, both the experts. So okay, so make a note of the scenarios. I'll dictate it. Mm-mm. Okay, so get a common XPath for all of these in the top here. Hello?
Yeah, Anusha.
Yeah, so your first question would be like, get a common XPath for all the stuff on the top here.
Okay.
Okay. Then second question is common XPath for the titles. Whatever the titles are there, it's not about investing, PM Narendra Modi reaction, and I mean the text will differ because it's customized based on the country. Okay.
Okay.
It's picking up my location and giving the relevant results, but for you, if you open the yahoo.com, it would be something different.
Okay.
It's still taking in my Yahoo, darn. Okay, United States. Shit. Okay, so get the common XPath for these links.
The news links, right?
Yeah, the news links. Okay. And then, mm, 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 yeah. So after clicking on more, you have four options.
Mm-hmm.
So get the XPath for Messenger. Okay, the Messenger is the third question. Yeah, that's all. So get these three experts ready by tomorrow. Are we good on that?
Yeah.
Okay.
So tomorrow we're starting with manual testing.
Not yet. Need a little bit more practice on experts and HTML stuff.
Okay.
We need to look into something called frames.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So um, in HTML there is some special tag called frame. Okay. So when there is a frame, XPaths will not work.
Okay.
Okay, so we should learn how to deal with the frames.
Okay.
Mm. Okay then guys, we'll catch up tomorrow.